Welcome back to Crypto Made Simple. Have you ever felt lost in the volatile world of crypto? Do the constant price swings seem like a risky game? This guide provides a solid foundation for crypto trading, focusing on key principles of risk management and emotional discipline. Get ready to transform your approach from a gamble into a sustainable strategy. First, it's crucial to focus on just one or two currencies to start. This prevents you from being overwhelmed and allows you to truly understand their unique market behavior. Dive deep. Look at historical data, news, and project developments to understand why the price moves the way it does. Next up, execution. The principles of buy low, sell high are your ultimate goal. The key is to define what low and high mean for your chosen currency. Use technical indicators like support and resistance levels to help you identify good entry and exit points. Now for the most important rule, setting a take profit and stop loss. A take profit automatically sells your position when the price reaches a certain level, securing your gains. It prevents you from getting greedy and holding on too long. A stop loss automatically sells your position if the price drops to a certain level, limiting your losses. It's your ultimate safety net. Don't be greedy. This is a crucial mindset. Small, consistent gains are far more sustainable than trying to hit a home run on every single trade. Finally, discipline and psychology are your best friends. Practicing this disciplined approach will build your confidence. You'll learn from your mistakes and your successes. Most importantly, control your emotions. The fear of missing out and the fear of losing money are common pitfalls. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive decisions. This is where your take profit and stop loss settings are critical. They help you make logical, not emotional decisions.